Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Давайте перекусим. Страница 53, 54, 55. English, Spotlight 3. Homework. A bit to eat. Page number 53, 54, 55. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. A bit to eat. Spotlight on the UK. Exercise number 1. Read and write. Прочитайте и напишите. I love tea time. I have tea and cake every day at 4 o'clock. My favorite breakfast is sausages, eggs and toast. Yummy. On Saturday, we have fish and chips for lunch. There's a great fish and chip shop in our street. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. What do you like eating? Draw 2 things and say, I like eating fruit. I like eating eggs. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 54. 54. Now I know. Exercise number 1. Look, read and match. Biscuits, eggs, orange juice, cake, lemonade, chocolate, milk, sandwiches, water, ice cream, rice. Посмотрите, прочитайте и отметьте правильный вариант на рисунке. The answer. Eggs, orange juice, cake, lemonade, chocolate, milk, sandwiches, water, ice cream, rice. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите. The answer. We don't like milk. Does you like potatoes? I like chips. Peter, do you like rice? Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Read and choose. Прочитай и выбери. The answer. We haven't got any eggs. Have you got any cheese? Can I have some meat? I haven't got any cake. We've got some burgers. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 55. 55. Communication. Exercise number 4. Read and complete. I do, you, I don't, юг. Прочитайте и напишите I do, you, I don't, юг. The answer. Do you like biscuits? Yes, I do. You. Do you like milk? No, I don't. Юг. Do you like sausages? No, I don't. Юг. Do you like rice? Yes, I do. You. Exercise number 5. Reading and writing. Look, read and write the names in your notebooks. Посмотрите, прочитайте и запишите имена в тетради. I like chicken and carrot. Frank. I like chicken and potatoes. Sam. I like pasta and vegetables. Wendy. I like rice and sausages. Tina. I like meat and potatoes. Theo. I like pizza and salad. Simon. And now we must do task. Now I can. Talk about food. Order food. Talk about likes and dislikes. Write a note. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.